Welcome class 6 in your science class. I hope my voice is clear to you. You kindly acknowledge me whether my voice is clear to you or not. As we are doing food, we are activity 6 we have defined and we have discussed about the different food habit of different kinds of animal, whatever the food they eat in their whatever their food habit. Few of animals are herbivores, few of them are omnivores, and few of them are carnivores. So they all have different kinds of food habit. So here we are, activity 7. Have a look again, okay, at table 1.5 and group the animal entered here as follows. Place animal which eat only plant or the plant products, as well as there are some animals which eat other animals. They are in group 2 animals, and which eat both type of plant and animals. We have to enter them in a group 3. Okay, so which eat both plants and animal. Place them in group 3. These are called omnivorous. Prepare a table as in table 1.6 and enter these respectively in this 3 column. So the cow, lion and dog is given here. Now cow, lion, dog. After the cow, lion and dog, next one is rat. Rat is again herbivore. Then lion, spider is carnivorous, and then house lizard, they eat each and everything. They sit on different kinds of food materials, so they are omnivorous. And the cow is herbivore, human being omnivorous, butterfly herbivorous, crow is a omnivorous, and others you have to find out. Few others you have to write them. Okay, so there are different kind of animals which are having there are different type of animal which are having different kinds of food habit. Now we will place them according to their food habit. Okay, so here the crow and lion and dog, they all have their names are being entered according to their food, whatever their food habit. Now here it is given. We know that there are many among us who do not get sufficient food. We need to find ways by which more food can be produced in the country. But in our school, I hope all of you get sufficient food at your home, but sometimes you do not like to eat all kinds of food. So maybe there is a lack of nutrients in your body due to according to your choices. Okay, we need to find out some, ensure that food is made easily available to each one of us. So these all are the things we should have to discuss. First one is ingredients. So what is the, write the meaning of these keywords. At first we will I will explain you the keywords. So first one is ingredients. So write down in your copy. What do you mean by ingredients? What are ingredients? Anybody? What is the meaning of ingredients? Yes, what is ingredients? Can anybody can no, don't write. Yeah, yes, not only the materials. You can say the materials. Yes, any item is made up of many ingredients, so many kinds of materials. You can write materials or the materials or the Components. Okay. Next one is, what is the another keyword? It is given nectar. What do you mean by nectar? Nectar means juice of flower. So write down, this is juice of flower. Juice of flower. Next one is, yes, write in your copy, not in your book. Because question answers, we will write the question answers also. So better to write in your copy and you will follow the question answers also. Okay. Page number 6. Germinated seeds. Now, next one is herbivore, that you know. Animals who eat plants or plant products. Next one is, you know these all, carnivore, so animals who eat other animals' flesh. Or you can write flesh eating animals. And third one is omnivorous. If you want to say something, write. You cannot see the right side of the board. This side. But this side is clear, no? Okay, I'm seeing which side. Wait. Now it's okay? Okay, write down. Now omnivores, animals please mute your speaker, noises are coming, so it is very problematic. You please mute your speaker. animals which eat both plants and other animals. Okay, write it down fast. I hope you have completed it. Now we will move for the next question. Exercises. There are some exercises. So the first question, do you find that all living beings eat the same kind of food? Do you believe it? No, very good. Because each and every animal have different food habit, isn't it? So write down no. Answer 1. No. No, all animals, all living beings, all living beings do not need do not eat the same kind of food because they eat according to their food habit or or groups or group like herbivore, according to their food habit or group like herbivore, carnivore, or omnivore. Okay, no, all living beings do not eat the same kind of food because they eat according to their food habit uh, or groups like herbivore, carnivore or omnivore, and you know whatever their food. Okay. Kindly mute your speaker, voices are coming all the time. I have to request you, it is not good, no? You should have to be obey the thing, and you please, any problem you just write in the lower portion of the board. Okay. Once I'll see, then I will do it. Okay, do it. No, all living beings do not eat the same kind of food because they eat according to their food habit or group, like herbivore, carnivore or omnivore. So whatever their group is, they eat accordingly. Herbivore will eat only the plant and plant products, carnivore eat only the animal flesh, and the omnivorous animals will eat both plant and other animals. So this is the first answer. Write it down. And the next two answer we will write in my next class, because time is getting over. So you just write up to this, and then we will write the next answer in my next class. Okay? Do you have any kind of problem? Then you can ask me. If you have any kind of problem, you can ask me. And one thing more, name 5 plants and their parts that we eat. You will do it by your own self, then we will discuss in my next class. Okay? If you have any kind of problem, you can write and we will discuss. I will ask you the 5 plants and their edible parts in my next class. Okay? So thank you. Have a nice day and kindly give your attendance so that I can write the attendance. In my next class, I will complete all the exercise question, then some insight question. Okay? Thank you, and please give your attendance. Thank you.